Hey Roses, so I'm back with another video, and this one is an unboxing of a giveaway I won on Instagram. And by the way, before we even get into it, make sure you have subscribed. If you haven't already, I'll give you a second. Okay, so now that you're subscribed, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and you can also go ahead and get caught up on what I have already uploaded so far. So I won a giveaway on Instagram. If you're not already following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that too. You might as well, girl. Just get it out the way. So this particular giveaway, who was it from? Let me take a look. So I've already opened the box, but I haven't uncovered what's inside. So there's the box. I do remember this came super fast. I mean, I believe it was like just a few days. I was like, what? Oh, okay. This giveaway was from My DNA. So that's a card that was included inside. Oh, it gives you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do a comb twist. And it shows the items in the collection and what you'll need. So that's nice. They included that. And oh, yes. So you guys, My DNA, the only thing I've ever tried from them was one of their hair oils. And that worked really well. And I remember when I got that, they sent it to me super fast as well. So I thank them for just being, you know, quick on their deliveries. That shows they really care for their customers. I got the My DNA Moisturizing Hair Butter. You can use it for spiral curls, wavy hair, kinky, coily, and straight. So they don't discriminate whatsoever. Any and everyone can use this hair butter from My DNA. It says it moisturizes all natural hair textures. Apply My DNA moisturizing hair butter as needed to wet or dry hair in small sections. Smooth from roots to ends until evenly distributed to define your natural texture. Okay, so let me open it up. Still very nice. It smells good. Let's look at what we have in a jar. Ah! Okay, so clearly this is not a super thick formula, or I wouldn't have spilled some of it on my foot. Okay, so let me rub some of this on my hand. And let me show you guys again the consistency. So what this reminds me of is it's a yogurt-like consistency. It is. A little bit of, you know, like a watered down yogurt consistency. It is very smooth. Let me see. What is it made with? It's made with water, shea butter, glycerin, alba seed oil, or it just says meadow foam, and some other items here. So I do like the fact that it has shea butter, glycerin, you know, things we need, especially during the winter weather, to keep our hair moisturized, you guys. And my hair is going through it right now. That's why I took about 4 twists, pinned it together, and gave myself a little updo to keep my ends protected. So let me see, I'm gonna dip into this, show you what it looks like on my hand. You guys paying attention? Okay, so nice and smooth. It smells really good, clean, fresh. And what's in the box? Let's see. Let me rub this on my hands. Anyway, the other item I received here was My DNA Serum. It's also for spiral, wavy, kinky, coily, and straight hair. It says it's a shine and frizz control for natural hair textures. Smooths hair while controlling frizz and adding a glossy, radiant shine. So this is going to look really nice on twist outs, braid outs, updos, perm rod sets, whatever, to help with some of those flyaways, frizzy hair. It says dispense a small amount of My DNA Serum into the palms of your hands and apply evenly from roots to ends for extra smoothing and straightening bent straightening benefits apply before blow drying, flat ironing, or as a final styling tool. So I'll take the top off of here. Okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, so it doesn't spray out in a spray. It does come out as if, you know, I took the top off and dipped it in like this. So if I had did this, it would have been the same thing. So, okay. Let's just go ahead and put it on my hair. Since I have it, why waste it? So this is made with coconut oil, Tahitiensis flower extract, shea butter. Now it does have dimethicone in it, you guys. And dimethicone, if you don't know anything about that, it basically will coat your strands to help with shine, make the appearance of more shine. One thing about dimethicone though, you do want to make sure that at least you're doing one clarifying wash during a month, because you will need that clarifying wash to get rid of the dimethicone. So this particular item does say or claim to add shine. So I will remember that when using it. Just you want to make sure you have that clarifying wash, at least one, within your wash day routine sometime during the month. Okay, so those are the two items I have here. I may be using this wash day coming up, and if I do, I'll go ahead and add it to the video so you can see me using it. Hope you have subscribed, and I'm out for right now, so I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.